Yeah, it was good. So there's no, I didn't take any trades today because there was news, and it didn't really show me anything good. So yeah, let's go over what I saw. Even though there was really nothing to see. Actually, no, I did find some good setups, but they just didn't end up acting how I wanted to. So I'll start with GBP. Oh, so today was also a Euro bank holiday, which I didn't realize until way later. So yeah, bro, I think I'm getting sick. But yeah, so there was news today at 6:30. Um, and then there was a Euro bank holiday. So yeah, so on Euro GBP JPY, I'll just start with that. So the 4 hour was bullish. We weren't close below this fair value gap nor this low, so we could have been respecting this fair value gap and pushing on higher. So on the 30 minute, we had London highs, London lows down here, which were that were formed like right at New York session open, which was pretty nice, but then it didn't even end up showing anything nice to enter off of. So on the 5 minute, so we opened right above the London low that was just formed with NY open, and then we push in. So this was honestly looking pretty good from the start, but then we just kept on pushing lower, lower and lower. This is the news candle. This was the 10 pip buffer. That didn't really help. News push right past. We were seeing some potential reaction. Like I like the way we were reacting off of these, but it didn't happen. We had a high here and then a fair value gap here. So ideally with this, I wanted to see an inverse, but that didn't happen. We kept on getting edged multiple times, and then we ended up just pushing lower and lower. So I didn't look to enter on that. So it looks like we just wanted to continue bearish, and we did confirm bearish structure now. So yeah, inverse this gap. But yeah, so on GBP USD, this was also giving potential for a setup, but didn't really find anything. So we were bearish coming into market open. We were pretty high up with this, but we didn't inverse the gap yet. So the 30 minute we had NY. Okay, so originally I didn't really have NY highs planned out, but we opened right at the London lows, and because we were bearish, it didn't really look ideal. But right at New York open, we pushed up, crazy rally up into the London high and even into the NY high, which was like nice, I guess, but didn't see any reaction off of that. I kept on looking for something. This was the 10 pip buffer, but we never respected that. I just kept on pushing higher and higher. So yeah, so honestly good that I didn't enter. We did have a fair value gap here and a low here, but we never ended up pushing past in the top. And the like we did end up inversing the gap, but we already pushed higher here, so I didn't really want to look for any shorts. No, I don't know the. So with Euro USD, something similar to GBP USD, we were bearish at the time, not closing above this high. So I was looking for highs to get taken, like so like exact same to GU. We were really close to the London high, but then we pushed higher, and then we pushed even higher, and we came into the New York highs in the end, but still no reaction off of that, and we just kept on pushing higher. So yeah, no trades to be taken on that either. So yeah, so that's all for today. What emotions did I feel today? Nothing really. Like, so when I came into market open, I was honestly not really expecting anything to show up, just because of what the price was looking pre-market open. But then once price New York open and you were seeing potential setups, I kind of got in my head that, oh my god, we're gonna get a setup. Like, oh my god, the setup is coming, and I'm gonna get an execution point. But we never got a proper execution point, so that kind of made me feel a bit bad. So something I should be able to work on is to, even though to think that even though that there's a potential setup coming, I need to understand that the execution point may not come. We may just reverse. We may just do some BS and just start flipping sideways and stuff, or news could just come and like mess up my bias. But yeah, that's my main improvement for today. But I didn't really feel anything else. I didn't. Also, so with that expectation thing, I need to make sure that I don't expect anything to come, and then also not get bummed out and like lose my brain, and like after sitting on the charts for like 2 hours, I should start tweaking out from the expectation. So a way to prevent that tweaking out is just to not expect to take a trade, and just to expect myself to sit in front of the charts and not do anything, rather than taking an actual trade. So that is my main key point for today. But yeah, that is all, bro. I have actually been working on this project for too long, bro. It's so tough, no trust. Putting in that work, boy. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is like really similar to today with the 6:30 news. except Europe doesn't have a bank holiday, so hey, who knows, maybe we'll get a sub. But honestly, bro, I'm not really trying to look for anything. Not really looking to take. I'm already happy with what I have today, so I mean what I made this week. But yeah, only one trade so far this week. Monday was off, Tuesday trade, Wednesday no trade, Thursday again no trade. So maybe tomorrow, but I'm not really gonna have any expectations. You know, it would be nice to take a trade, but like, bro, I can't force anything. I just need to, like, I feel like I kind of like, I don't know. I feel like I'm not kind of forcing the mindset on, like it's not natural. I feel like I'm like scared that I'm gonna lose my ideal trading mindset, but I just gotta trust myself, build confidence, and work hard every single day. So yeah, that's all.